Hey beautiful people of YouTube, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I am Nick, and on this channel I ride motorcycles, I work on motorcycles, I vlog, and I travel the country bringing you guys on all my adventures. So, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead, bang that subscribe button. It helps the channel grow, and the more the channel grows, the more content I can bring you guys. So, we are less than 1 month away from my California trip. And if you're not aware of what that trip is, I am going to be riding a Harley-Davidson Sportster from St. Louis to California and back. So, really excited about that trip. Going to be a lot of great content to bring you guys. And the best place to find a lot of that content is going to be on my social media. Those links are in the description below. And I will also be uploading content on YouTube, but there will be exclusive content on my social media. So, go follow me if you aren't already. Well guys, it is time for a new helmet. My trusty Bilt Force that I have used for 4 years now is finally ready to be replaced. If you've seen my review of this helmet, I loved this helmet. I still do love this helmet. I think, honestly, at the price point this helmet comes in, at about $100, there is no other helmet that has the features this helmet has. It is an ECE rated helmet. It has the drop-down sun visor. All around a great beginner helmet and at a great price. But last year when we were on our Yellowstone trip, and this helmet developed a whistle. And I have tried everything I could to get rid of that whistle. If you look here on the back, one of the exhaust vents has fallen out. I think that might be what my whistle is. But this helmet is 4 years old. It is coming up on 5 years old, so it's just time to replace it. And that is what I've done. So, Tater Tot's last birthday, she wanted a new helmet. She was wearing the same exact helmet I was, but she had outgrown it and she was ready for a new helmet. So I purchased her this Scorpion R420. This is a Snell rated helmet, and it did not have the drop-down sun visor, so I put a tinted visor on there for her. But this is the helmet she wanted, and I got it, and we have been very happy with this helmet. So when it was time for me to get a new helmet, naturally, I wanted to get a Scorpion too, just because we had great experiences. So, off to Revzilla I went, and I purchased a new Scorpion helmet. I wanted to do an unboxing of this helmet for you guys, but unfortunately, when I purchased this helmet, I got a great deal on it because I bought it as an open box. So, whenever the package arrived, I kind of expected to have something to unbox for you guys. But all that was in the box was this helmet bag with the helmet inside of it. So, I guess there's no real unboxing there. But, without any more being said, let's show you what I've gotten. This is the Scorpion T510. This is kind of a mid-level touring helmet. And I got a really good deal on this. And I've kind of already went and set it up the way that I'm going to run it. So I have my Senna on board already. I already have my motovlogging mic set up. I will show that in another video. I am just waiting for my chin mount for my GoPro to come in. On my Bilt helmet, I was actually able to run a standard GoPro sticky mount and then a GoPro arm to put the camera where I want it. But on this one, it's not really an option. So I ordered a chin mount. But let's look at this helmet. As you see, I've left the stickers on it. I've worn it around the house a bit, just trying to get a feel for it. But other than that, I've not used it yet. So this is not a review. This is just a initial thoughts. So, first thing, it's not excessively heavy. It's got plenty of vents. A 3-position vent here, being open, partially open, fully open, and closed. It's got a spoiler on the rear with the exhaust, and then it has the chin vent right there. It has some of the details on the helmet right here on the sticker. So it's got the Quick Wick 2 liner, which is supposed to help pull some of that moisture away when you're sweating, keep you comfortable. Any of you who've done any touring know that the key to being comfortable when you're touring is being dry. It's got really nice padding. I was surprised how comfortable this helmet was. The Bilt I never found to be uncomfortable, but after wearing this is substantially more comfortable than the Bilt. We have, this is supposed to be a fog-free visor. We will find out. St. Louis is about 100% humidity most of the year. It has the drop-down sunscreen, which I'm a huge fan of. And then it also has this, what do they call it? Air fit system, where there's a pump inside here, and you can pump the cheek pads up. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about that. I've tried it. I think it's a little gimmicky, but as we get out and put some miles on, we'll see if maybe that helps cut down on some noise. It does have a chin curtain, which is a plus, and that chin curtain is velcroed in, which a lot of chin curtains just kind of snap in, so that was real nice. Putting the Senna on was easy. It has speaker pockets. Everything was easy to route. You have the emergency release system, so if you're in an accident, they can pull that off. But some things that I'm not the biggest fan of with this helmet. So with a drop-down sun visor, you cannot achieve a Snell rating. But that's okay. I have mixed opinions on Snell. I've shared those before. Do your own research. That's all I'm going to say, is do your own research. Snell is not the end-all, be-all. I am a huge fan of ECE, which this helmet is not ECE rated. It is only DOT. So that's a little bit of a letdown for me, but I think I'll be able to live. Overall, the initial impressions of this helmet, I mean, I'm really satisfied with it. Like I said, I've worn this helmet last night, maybe 2 hours, just walking around the house, watching TV, getting other stuff done, and it was comfortable, and I'm really optimistic. Really optimistic. With the visor down, it seems like it's going to be a very quiet helmet. It seems like it's quieter than the Bilt, and I don't find the Bilt to be a very loud helmet anyways. So, after I get back from my California trip and I have about 5,000 miles in this helmet, I will do a in-depth review and let you guys know. But I guess that is going to effectively wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Like I always tell you guys, I love you all. I think of you as friends, not subscribers. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Comment below, what kind of helmet are you wearing? If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Again, guys, I love you all. I'll see you next week. I'm out.